to fix Instagram age verification failed. So the first thing that might cause this issue is you repeatedly trying and failing. This will lock you out of your submission process 24 to 48 hours. So what you need to do is step away from the app and do not submit any kind of new forms or ID until the cooldown period has completely passed. So for about a day or two, you should not do anything. The another thing is to check your ID requirements. Gather a valid government issued ID such as your driver's license, your passport or your national ID card, and make sure that your ID is not expired. Make sure to take photo in a well-lit area with absolutely no glare or flash spots obscuring the text. This might help you with any kind of confusion that Instagram is having. So another thing is to make sure to use official appeal forms. So if in the app prompt continue or glitch or fail, what you can do is simply submit your documents through official browser form. For that, what you need to do is get to your Instagram age confirmation page. For that, open any kind of browser. I'm going with Safari, and in here what you need to search is Instagram age confirmation page. In here you can see this is the first link. Tap on that one, and in here you can see these are all of the informations that Instagram has given regarding your age verification. So what you can do is simply ask Meta AI for further support. Tap on this box, and in here tell Meta AI that you are having issue with your age verification, and it will show you the further process of how you can successfully verify your age on Instagram. And that will be it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.